Hello friends, today I am going to show you Hindi project, art integrated project. So let's see. Here is the introduction. Name, class, roll number, subject, teacher and topic. Here is the index of the project. Freedom fighters of Odisha and Maharashtra. Upsarg and Prataye. The next page is Freedom fighters of Maharashtra. Tanaji Deshmukh. After that, Lokmanya Tilak. On next page, Vinoba Bhave. Then Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. On next page, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. Then freedom fighter of Odisha. The first one is Neelkanth Das. Then on next page, Chaki Khuntia. Then Veer Surendra Sai. On next page is Karunakar Singh. Then Lakshman Nayak. On next page is the next topic, Upsarg and its paribhasha. Here are its examples. All 25 examples are there. The next topic is Prataye, its example. And that's it. And here is the end. If you like the project, like it, share it and subscribe for more new videos. Thanks for watching.